Technology should empower everyone, not leave people behind. Accessibility refers to designing devices, systems, and services so they can be easily used by people with a wide range of abilities and disabilities. Today, we're breaking down the key aspects and core principles of true digital inclusion. To build an accessible system, we must focus on three core objectives. First, inclusivity, making sure technology accommodates the widest audience possible. Second, adaptability, allowing users to customize how they interact with the system to fit their personal needs. And third, compliance, adhering to accessibility standards and legal requirements to guarantee fair access. The first fundamental design principle is perceivability. This means users must be able to comprehend the information presented, regardless of their sensory abilities. For example, screen readers read out alternative text descriptions of images for blind users, while captions and transcripts ensure those who are deaf don't miss out on video content. The second principle is operability. The interface must be easily navigable by everyone, no matter their physical or motor limits. This means full support for keyboard-only navigation without a mouse, or integrating hands-free voice commands so users with mobility impairments can operate systems seamlessly. Third, we have understandability. Users need to easily comprehend how to operate the interface. Good platforms achieve this by using clear, simple language, making complex tasks like filling out taxes straightforward, and by providing real-time error prevention tips if you accidentally skip a required field. The fourth principle is robustness. Your content must be flexible enough to work reliably across a wide range of devices and platforms, even as technologies evolve. This requires total cross-browser compatibility and supporting multiple input devices, allowing users to alternate between keyboards, mice, or touchscreen gestures. When we build with accessibility in mind, we don't just build better technology for people with disabilities, we build better products for absolutely everyone. What's your favorite accessibility feature on your phone? Let me know in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more tech insights.